Wow, this album is beautiful. I love old photo albums.
Thank you. This is my favorite album. It is my family album.
It is very nice. Who is this in the first photo?
This is my mother. She is very kind.
She is beautiful. Is she a teacher?
Yes, she is a teacher. She is very patient.
And who is this man next to her?
That is my father. He is an engineer.
He looks calm.
Yes, he is calm. He is friendly.
Are these your brothers and sisters?
Yes, they are. They are my siblings.
How many are there?
There are 3. This is my older brother. He is tall.
And this girl?
She is my younger sister. She is very funny.
She looks happy in the photo.
She is always happy.
Who is this little boy?
That is my cousin. He is very energetic.
He is cute.
Yes, he is.
Is this your family house?
Yes, it is. It is our old house.
It is very cozy.
Thank you. We are very close as a family.
You are lucky.
Yes, I am.
Are you all together in this photo?
Yes, we are. We are at a family dinner.
You all look happy.
We are happy here.
And who is this woman next to you?
That is my aunt. She is very caring.
Is she your mother's sister?
Yes, she is.
This album is very special.
It is special to me. These photos are important.
I understand. Family is everything.
Yes, it is.